Okay, I think I'm recording. Sorry, Teddy. No, I'm going to show this car, and then I got to clean it. It smells like mothballs. Well, first thing I'm going to do is get all these mothballs out of here. See, you can see them all in here. So if this is in place, then the tap goes right into there very easily. But you see there's not a lot of room once that tap is in here. If I take this out, and you got plenty of room for golf clubs or whatever you need to carry. So, yeah, I'm outside, so if Teddy wants to play, and you can see it has really low miles on it. It has only 49,655 miles, so less than 50,000 miles. So we got some cleaning to do here, and we think we'll have it for sale very soon. Okay.